Hello everybody and welcome to the corner of the internet where I feel the incessant need to complain about everything I can get my grubby hands on. Today we're going to be complaining about something special, but it's not special at all, it's just Twitch. I have so much to say about Twitch even though I use it so often. But let me paint a picture for you, an idealized world, a utopia, where Icarus was flying when he flew too close to the sun. Imagine a world where, be it young or old, everything that you want to know, did want to know, or will ever want to know is at the tip of your fingers. There's a tiny brick about 5 millimeters thick that you can look anything you want up on. A cloud of information that you can know everything about if you wanted to. Now imagine this world also had very convenient means of attaining this information, like videos or live streaming seminars where people will teach you about these things. And it doesn't even have to be very knowledgeable stuff, it could just be entertainment. Live streams and videos of people entertaining you with these very efficient means of communication. Now, I know 97.2% of you guys are about to bust a nut, cream your pants at the mere thought of that utopia. But the only thing that's keeping that last drop of cum from dripping out of your trousers is the fact that we do live in this world, except there's one platform that does not have all of these innovations: Twitch's app. Now for this, I'm not going to be talking about the desktop web browser version of Twitch. I'm going to be talking about the phone app, the mobile version that anybody can watch and enjoy in their free time if they'd like. Here's a secret: it doesn't work and it doesn't function. Now I just want to level with you here. What do you think applications are made on mobile devices for? I'll give you a second. Okay, fuck you, I'm gonna answer on short notice. They're made for efficiency. Think how annoying it is to access YouTube on your web browser on your phone, or access what do kids use nowadays, MySpace on their phones, on their user browser. You know how slow that is, probably from personal experience. Now, compare that to when you go to the App Store and you download the app for YouTube. It's just so much faster. It's so much more efficient. There's so many more features added, like the double tap skip feature. You can swipe the video down into the bottom of your screen while you're looking for more videos to binge for hours. Now I'm a YouTube frog, and one day in the middle of quarantine, I was clicking the refresh button on my YouTube page and just waiting for some videos to come in, some new stuff I haven't seen, and I was shocked because every single video that I saw was a new video. I had watched literally everything that was being suggested to me, so I decided to go to a more depraved website full of boobies and mommy milkies, Twitch. Because as we all know, the user base of Twitch experienced a similar fate. They got bored with watching stuff over and over again, so they went to a more unpredictable and slightly less entertaining means of content, but it's all new. And to get to that level of internet watchage, I'm gonna coin that word right now, you really have to be a real nerd. You have to be a really big mommy's basement dweller. So for what I'm talking about in this video, a lot of the user base won't have to worry about it, but I'm gonna complain about it anyway. But regardless, even if you don't have the Twitch app or you don't need to, I want to give you a word of advice. Do not download it. I'm going to show you why right now. So just to preface, I have an iPhone 10. It's undoubtedly a really good phone. It functions really well. I've had no problems with it over the past years I've had it. So one day I had the hankering for watching Twitch somewhere that wasn't at my computer. So I downloaded the app and I was like, okay, cool, I'm about to watch this. It took a couple seconds to download. I clicked on it, and to my dismay, nothing was showing up. Literally, the first thing you see on the Twitch app when you open it isn't welcome to Twitch, let's help you through the sign-in process. It wasn't top creators of the day. It was a big fat error message, just a shit on my forehead. And I was like, okay, well, this error message is about not having a following page. I'm going to college, so I could at least read the little error panel at the bottom of the screen, and it said following list could not be loaded, following page could not be loaded. And I was like, okay, maybe that's because I'm not signed into the app, as my school-learned critical thinking told me. So of course I click on the little profile thing in the top left so I can go to the sign-in page, and I clicked on that, and what do you know, nothing showed up. When you click on the sign-in area, literally nothing shows up. So not only are you not allowed to sign in, but you have to be faced with this disgusting looking empty error page that says that you're not able to have a following list because you're not signed in. But you know, you can't sign in anyway. So it's like the Ouroboros of really bad app development. So I had to dig deeper into my ego. I was like, I go to college, I'm also studying computer science, so I should be able to see what the problem with this is. So I did what any highly intelligent individual would do, the thing that their mommies told them to do with their N64 when they were younger. I deleted it and I re-downloaded it, the good old turn it off and back on again, and that always works. 96% of the time it always works. So I deleted it, re-downloaded it, clicked on it again, same thing popped up, and I was like, okay, well, let me just try to avoid this. Let me click on the search thing and look up a video. So I looked up a live stream and I started watching the live stream, and the first thing I noticed is that it didn't show Twitch chat. And I thought that was really funny because in the live stream itself, you could see Twitch chat going up on their screen. So literally everything that I saw was pointing to the, and just like my boy Tom with the dunce hat on and Tom and Jerry, literally everything was pointing to the fact that every issue in the app was Twitch's fault. I did everything within my power as a user to fix it, but I couldn't really do anything. You know, I can't hack into the source code. I'm not good enough for that. And I think it's really poetic because earlier I was saying how the web browser for stuff is generally a lot slower than the app version, but in this case for Twitch, the web browser is a lot faster. But yeah, no, I really don't have too much else to talk about. I'm gonna dip. Yeah, no, that's all I have. Peace.